In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Sofi to Cash App step by step in 2025. This method is quite straightforward, especially when you use a linked bank account, which is the most reliable option available. Let's get started with the process so you can easily move your funds without any hassle. The first thing you might want is a traditional bank account. If you don't already have one, it might be helpful to open one. This step isn't strictly necessary if you already have a bank account you can use, but it certainly makes the process smoother. Once you're set with your chosen bank account, you'll need to jump into your SoFi app. Once you're there, navigate to the Banking or Money tab. This is your main control center for moving money around on SoFi. From here, you'll want to tap on Transfer, then choose External Accounts. This is where you can add your external bank account to SoFi. Now, you have two options. You can either use Plaid, which is a digital service that makes it really easy to link your banking information securely, or you can manually enter your bank routing and account numbers. Whichever method you choose, take a moment to ensure all your details are correct, as this will save you time and ensure a smooth transaction later on. After your bank is linked, go ahead and initiate a transfer from SoFi to your newly linked external bank account. Bear in mind that these transfers typically take about 1 to 2 business days to complete. Next up, you'll want to add that same bank to your Cash app. Grab your phone, open up the Cash app, and look for your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where you manage your linked banks. Tap on linked banks, or you might see add bank depending on how your app is set up. Just like with SoFi, you can either log in via Plaid, which is quick and convenient, or manually enter your bank details once again if you prefer. Now that your external bank is connected to both SoFi and Cash App, the last step involves transferring the funds to your Cash App. Make sure everything is set up and ready to go, then on the Cash App home screen, find and tap on Add Cash. You'll decide how much you'd like to transfer then and confirm your selection. The funds are usually pulled from your bank account and appear in Cash App within 1 to 3 business days. If you're in a hurry and would like to use a debit card, there's also an option for an instant transfer, though it comes with a small fee. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to transfer funds from SoFi to Cash App.